Hey, what's up, guys? This is Marty Moore, what I go by, and this is my new Father's Day present. It's a swing case and my new toolbox, and now I will be installing it, and we'll see how it goes. All right, let's open it up. She went walking. I'm recording. You want to record me?
Yeah, what are you going to record?
For YouTube.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see. This is my daughter, Jezebel. Let's see. All right. So, I am unboxing this. This is a swing case toolbox. Bring it over here. And this is, I believe, for the driver's side, which is gonna go right here. Somewhere around there. So we just need to see how and what we need to install this with. I think that's everything inside the box. I don't see anything else. Do you? All right, let's see. How do you open it? Oh. Okay. Oh, here are the keys. Here's the installation guide. I think this is the hardware. And yep, it looks like the hardware. Well, it doesn't look like a lot of parts. Here are the self-tap screws, and I think this is where it locks in, but we'll figure that out. And here are the instructions. All right, so let me move this out of the way. And we're gonna learn together how we're going to put this on my bed. All right, so it says step 1, grab this and make sure that you don't break it. Let's see. Okay, all right, okay.
And it says to get the plastic fastener, which is this one, and you're gonna put it in this hole, right here.
We have to make the holes in here. that. Now we're on to step 3. And that is this part right here. And it says to install it right over there. So I'll get on the truck. So you get close. What are those? It says it goes right here.
That took a while, but they're in. Okay, so now to step 4. I'm supposed to align these right here on here. These two. So
Let's go ahead and do that. Okay. Oh wow. That is awesome. Cool. And that will go somewhere on here. Oh, right here, I guess. And it goes like that. So that way no one's able to like take no one's able to take this toolbox out because this is in the way. So they try to pick it up, you can't because it's locked through here. That's awesome. So you go in here, you unlock it, and you take it out, and then you're able to, you know, push it up and take it out. That's cool. That is very cool. I didn't know it's that simple. So that is pretty much the installation of this new swing case toolbox. It's pretty awesome. Those who want a toolbox and don't need or don't want to take all that space down there, you're still able to put stuff in here and not worry about the eliminating that space or being limited, you know. So for example, like that one, this toolbox, it's pretty big, and you know, it's pretty hard to put stuff in this whole bed, you know. But like I said, this one's pretty neat. You stick this in there, you lock it, and you're good. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, share, comment, and like. I need more people to subscribe. Please like my videos. I'm just learning how to do this, and I hope you guys like the video on how to install this toolbox. Thank you.